Welcome to Man versus Machine. In the man corner, we have Dominic Wilcox. In the machine corner, we have Deep Pink. They will be racing each other to build a model of the Duomo Cathedral. Dominic, would you like to say a few words about how you're going to do that?
I've got a block of clay, and I've decided not to use any tools. I'll just use my hands because that's our difference between the machines and us.
Imperfections in both. There's a considerable difference in scale. There are some advantages of detail for sure on the side of Deep Pink. However, if you look at the west elevation, there is a considerable inaccuracy. I think we should also do a small structural test just to see the kind of integrity of the models. It's definitely one piece. I think at this point it's safe to declare that man is the winner. Would you like to make a statement?
The future is in humans.